It began with a silence and a sky that suddenly changed. A perfect signal. A message shaped by pure mathematics. Billions paused at the same time, staring at the impossible. Something enormous waited above us, watching. Leaders gathered, and for once, no one pretended to have answers. The symbols revealed intentions, but not their purpose. Then they arrived. We sent our bravest to meet the unknown. They were nothing like our stories, and yet strangely familiar. They didn't speak, they resonated. Their message was simple. Something is coming, and we are not ready. Stars are dying across the universe, one by one. But they offer us hope if we dare to trust them. For the first time in history, humanity stood as one. And so, we stepped forward together into the unknown. Subscribe and follow.